Hello, glad to have you join us on the 3-day weather forecast from NIMET. I am Chinonso, Nwachukwu. It's been quite cold during the late evenings and early hours of the mornings, with much cloudiness and continuous intermittent rains affecting most parts of the country. Yesterday's record summed up to 66.9 millimeters of rain in parts of Cross River, with 35.5 millimeters to parts of Ekiti. We don't expect any significant change in the atmospheric conditions within the next 3 days, as we have good prospects of these thunderstorms and rains expected to affect most parts of the country in the next couple of days. And so for Wednesday afternoon, we expect thunderstorm activities to parts of Borno, Yobe, Gombe, Bauchi, Taraba, Adamawa. Parts of Kebbi and Kaduna states in the north should also be affected by these thunderstorm activities. To the north-central region, we expect parts of the Federal Capital Territory, Niger, Plateau, Nasarawa, Kogi, and Benue states to have some rains in the afternoon as well. Than the south, we expect bulk of the cities in the southeastern parts of the country, including parts of Abia and Imo State, as well as the coastal cities of Cross River, Rivers, Akwa Ibom, and Delta states, not leaving out parts of Ondo, Oyo, and Ogun states in the southwestern states. Temperatures are expected to range within 26 to 29 degrees Celsius to most parts of the north central and the southern region, while the northern region should have temperatures peaking at 28 to 34 degrees Celsius, with a peak of 34 degrees Celsius to parts of Yobe states. Thursday's morning is expected to be busy with thunderstorm activities to some parts of the northern states, which should include Yobe, Borno, Adamawa, Taraba, and Gombe states. We are not leaving out some rains expected around the Federal Capital Territory, parts of Plateau and Niger states during the morning hours. As we progress into the day, we expect most cities around the northern region, spanning from the northwest to the northeastern states, to have good prospects of thunderstorm activities. We also expect most cities around the north-central region, which should include the Federal Capital Territory, parts of Plateau, Niger, and Kogi states to have some rains. Than the south, we expect parts of Ondo, Ogun, Oyo, most cities around the southeastern states, and the south-south states of Cross River, Rivers, Akwa Ibom, Port Harcourt, and Delta states to have some rains in the afternoon and evening hours. The temperatures are expected to increase slightly around the north-central and the southern region, with a maximum range of 26 to 31 degrees Celsius. We don't expect much change around the northern states, where the temperature values are expected to remain virtually the same. By Friday morning, we expect some respite weather-wise around the north-central region as cloudy conditions will dominate. To the northern region, we expect few thunderstorm activities to parts of Sokoto and Kaduna states. Than the south, there could be morning rains to few places around parts of Imo, Abia, Enugu, Anambra, parts of River State, Akwa Ibom, and Cross River states are not expected to be left out in the morning hours. As we move towards the afternoon and evening hours of Friday, we expect bulk of the cities around the northern region to have some rains, especially the northeastern parts, including parts of Borno, Yobe, Gombe, Bauchi, Taraba, and Adamawa states. Most cities around the north-central regions will pick up as we progress into the day, having good rains in the afternoon of Friday, as well as most cities to the southern parts of the country. Temperatures are expected to continue on the increase, with a peak of 35 degrees Celsius to parts of Yobe State in the north, 31 degrees Celsius in the north-central as the peak, especially over parts of the Federal Capital Territory, while 32 degrees Celsius, which is expected around parts of Delta State in the south, should be the peak around the southern region. And that's where we draw the curtain on the 3-day weather forecast. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for further updates.